Wiring tutorial of electric drive axle and controller.
电机象限
The phase wires of the motor are connected to the phases of the controller,
进行连接。
and the hall wires of the motor are inserted into the 6P of the controller plastic shell.
那个电机后耳线插入这个6P 胶壳，16P 线束插入那个16P 那个胶壳，2P 的对应的那个电磁砂。
The input power of the controller is 24V. The positive pole is connected to the positive pole of controller.
And the negative pole is connected to the negative pole of controller. The orange wire in the harness is the electric door lock wire, and the red wire harness is the 24-volt output wire of controller. Put these two wires introducing the positive extreme of gas pedals.
要引入到加速器的那个正极端。
The blue wire in the accelerator's signal wire wiring harness.
加速器的信号线接线束的那个蓝色线，线束的那个负极线接。
Connect the negative wire of the harness to the negative wire of the accelerator. The orange wiring in the harness is the switch wire of the electric door lock. And the accelerator is a wide voltage accelerator with an output signal of 0-5V.
输出那个信号是0到5伏。